Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 899 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the product that I chose for my July 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. It's the IL MAKIAGE Brow Pen, and I was able to get this in the shade Latte. I love brow products. I feel like I look weird when I see myself how I look right now without my brows filled in. But then my sister says that she doesn't even notice a difference when I have my brows filled in versus when I don't. Let me know in the comments down below. You definitely notice a difference in how I look with my brows versus without them, right? Or maybe it's just me. But I love brow products, so I was excited to have an option to choose a brow product. I also like the brand IL MAKIAGE, and so this has a retail value of $22. And I am in need of a new brow pencil. You'll actually see in my July empties video that I'll do at the end of the month that I used up my brow pencil that I had been using every single day that I really loved. So I'll talk more about that brow pencil in that video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. I will also have linked in the description down below my unboxing video for my July Ultimate box if you want to see all of the products I got. On my channel right now I have all of my unboxings for the month of July of my Ipsy Glam bags. I also got my BoxyCharm Premium, so if you like unboxings, check out those videos. Alright, but so here's what it looks like. Oh, I wish it had a spoolie on it. I kind of thought that it would. But so it's just a thin brow pencil, twists up. Let me do a little swatch to see how this shade looks. Oh yeah, should be good. It's like a light brown taupe shade, but I think if I use like a harder touch, it gets darker. Yeah, but very skinny fine line, which is good for filling in the brows because then you can make little hair-like lines. Here's an up-close view of how that's swatched. It's also supposed to be waterproof, smudge resistant. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't seem completely smudge proof. And it's a little deceiving how it's called a brow pen, because this is definitely a pencil. It's kind of waxy, which I like for brow pencils, but there's a little bit of smudge and it's not like a pen, it's not liquid at all. But anyways, let's go ahead and see how this is in my brows. So I'm gonna start and do some fine lines at the very front because that's where I'm very sparse and I need to really shape out the brows. And then I like to kind of trace out the arch that I want. So I start at the bottom and then I fill in upwards until I am shaping out the top of the brow to follow along with the arch I've already created. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I feel like I was able to get very precise and very easily able to get the perfect shape that I wanted because it's such a small pencil, and the color seems to go well with my natural brow color. It might be a little bit light for my hair. I know when I have my hair back with this lighting, it makes it look really dark, but trying to kind of lighten it a bit in the sun this summer. But I really like this. I like how natural it looks. Let me do a zoomed in view so you can see my brow. Doesn't it look like this is just my natural brow? It doesn't look like I filled it in with a pencil, and I absolutely love that. The thing that would make this perfect though is if it did have a spoolie. But what's so interesting is that I don't feel like I need to blend the product through my brow. It looks perfect the way it is right now. So I guess I don't need a spoolie because you don't really have to blend it through. Let's try it on the other brow. I am finding that this is easy to work with. I like the texture of it, how it's kind of waxy, creamy. It doesn't powder, like it doesn't leave little chunks of product like other brow pencils tend to do. And I just love how easily it blends in with my brows. Because I love the look of filled in structured brows, but I don't like the look of obvious fake brows. I don't want it to look too drawn on or filled in or boxy. I just don't want it to look too obvious, and this does not look obvious at all. Like, you can get so super up close and it still doesn't look like I have brow product in. It just looks like full brows. So that's exactly what I want in my brow pencil. So here's the finished look. I think I look much more complete and much more like myself with my brows on right now than before. But this product, it doesn't make a dramatic difference. It is more subtle because it's so natural, and that's exactly what I want. So I'm really happy to have this. I will definitely have this be my new go-to brow pencil. Since it does have a waxy, ooh, I love that. Since it's waxy, it's keeping my brow hairs in place. And I have long brow hairs and they are not budging. So I could skip the step of using a brow gel. So that is awesome. I don't think I've ever had a brow pencil that actually held my brow hairs in place. So that really impressed me. Ooh, okay, that makes me love this brow pencil even more. So yeah, I officially love this brow pencil. I love the formula, I love the color, I love the application, and I love that it holds my brows in place. So if that's what you want for your brows as well, I would definitely recommend this. I want to say this is my favorite IL MAKIAGE product I've tried out, but I also love their mascara. I did a full dedicated review video on that mascara, and it was my go-to for as long as I had it, but I used it up completely. But I will have that video linked in the description down below if you want to see more information on the IL MAKIAGE mascara. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.